Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make teriyaki chicken sando. You like chicken teriyaki and you like sandwiches, so let's put them together. Chicken teriyaki is much easier than you think. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this teriyaki chicken sando, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 2 chicken thigh, 8 slices of bread, mayonnaise, Japanese Kewpie mayo if available, some lettuce, onion, red or white, either way you like, some salt and pepper, 4 eggs. For the teriyaki sauce, 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce, sugar, mirin, sake, and 2 teaspoons of potato starch or cornstarch. And you also need some flour. Let's make some boiled eggs. I just need 4 today, but I'm having it anyway, so I'm doing 10. Make small cracks at the bottom of the eggs. Pointy side, round side, on this side. This will make it easier to remove the shell later on. Put some water halfway up the eggs. Cover with the lid and just bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, turn the heat to low and cook for 5 minutes. Then turn the heat off and let it sit for 10 minutes. No sneak peeking, just leave it alone and let it sit. In the meantime, let's prepare the vegetables. Wash and dry the lettuce, as much as you like. Then tear it into pieces. Put it aside. And onion. Cut the top off. Peel the skin. Make some thin slices. And let them dry on paper towel. It's too fresh and too watery for sandwiches. Now, chicken teriyaki. You can do it with the skin on or skin off, either way you like. I'm doing one with the skin on and one without the skin. So let's remove the skin. And trim off all these fat. cut into half. Same for the one you are doing with the skin on. Remove the fat. Then into half. Some salt and pepper. And flour, just random amount. Heat up about a tablespoon of vegetable oil in the frying pan. Then put the chicken with the skin side facing down. Skin side down. Then parchment paper and something heavy on top. Cook until the bottom side is nice and crispy. Cook for about 3 minutes. Let's see how it's doing. I want to make it a little crispier. So parchment paper back on and the weight back on. And let's cook for another 2 minutes or so. Cook for another 2 minutes and it's looking good. Flip them over. Cover it with new parchment paper and the weight back on. I cooked the other side for 5 minutes or so and it's looking good. Turn the heat off and take them out. Clean the frying pan with damp paper towel. It doesn't have to be perfectly clean. Two tablespoons of water and all these seasonings into the frying pan. Mirin, sake, soy sauce, sugar, and the starch. Give it a mix so there is no lumpy starch in the frying pan. Turn the heat back on and cook the sauce until it's thick and glossy. Constantly mix the sauce. Once it's like caramel, turn the heat off. All the fillings are ready. I remove the shell. So it's time to assemble. Let's toast the bread. Prepare parchment paper big enough to wrap the sandwich. Toast. You can put some butter here if you like. Chicken teriyaki and the sauce. Let's slice the egg using the egg slicer. And put it vertically. Not like this, like this. Some mayonnaise. Slices of onion. Lettuce, as much as you like. I like to load it up. Then the other toast. Wrap it up rather tight. The egg is here, so let's cut it here so that it looks prettier. And chicken teriyaki sandwich is ready to go. Time for the tasting. いただきます。This is something you want to bring to your office every single day. Delicious! This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. The sandwich is bread, but it's carb, so it goes here, and you also cover the main. Let's have kabocha squash soup here. Anything you like for the side dishes, but how about edamame no nampura itame for one of them, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.